What's up, goated ones? Frank from Go to Guild here. Today we're checking out Dorik. This is AI website builder. Dorik. Dangerously close to calling you a dork, but let's check it out. Yo, every website has this layout. I need to understand where this is like a Webflow website or something, because I've seen this exact page at least 10 times. Generate beautiful websites with Dorik AI. Website generation, AI content and images, multilingual websites, export code. With just a single prompt, Dorik AI website generator can generate a complete website for you in a matter of seconds. But our innovation doesn't stop there. Useless sentence. Scroll below to find out.
Introducing Dorik AI, the future of web design is here. I built this website in a matter of minutes using Dorik AI. Here's how I did it. Begin by clicking on Create New Site with AI. Enter the name of your website and describe your website design to the AI. Simply click a button, take a sip of coffee, and watch as Dorik builds your entire website in real time.
Take a sip of coffee.
And your website is ready. Don't like a particular section? Click on Regenerate section. Describe the changes you want to the AI and simply click a button. Count to 5 and done. Don't like your copy? Click on Regenerate content. Again, describe the changes you want.
I don't like how she says regenerate.
And simply click a button and
Close to degenerate.
your copy is regenerated. Want professional design suggestions?
Probably not even human right now. Who am I kidding?
Click on AI Quick Style on the left sidebar, select a color palette, and preview it instantly. On the website, you can toggle between different color variations and choose the right color for your website design. You can also instantly update your website's font so it looks more.
This is actually past a minute, but it's so engaging that I'm still watching it, which is a good thing.
More professional. Don't like a particular image on your website? Generate a new one using AI. You can find everything you need in one modal. Describe the type of
We're living in this stuff.
image you want to see and hit generate. Once your image is ready, click on Use Asset and here is your new image. Also, Dorik automatically makes your website responsive on any device. Dorik is also a highly customizable website builder that gives you creative freedom. Drag any component in any dimension without breaking the design. Adjust the size of anything by moving your fingers. Do much more without writing a single line of code. Use Dorik now to build your website, because having your own website is now a few clicks away.
Pretty damn good. That was pretty damn good. I don't know why this is not. Is that hero? It's technically not hero. I can't count it as a hero because it's when you land on the page, you don't see the video, you could bounce. Most people are gonna bounce. So I'm gonna take that out the hero and say I do understand as the basic text. The copy is not great. I mean, the first sentence is fine. Second sentence is stupid. Third sentence is like, please scroll. Like, you might as well just do 2 columns and put the video up there. People would not bounce. So I'm gonna give it a 7.2 on the hero, just because I don't know why they didn't put the video up top. That video is killer. It's everything you need. Makes it very simple to understand. Save hours when building your websites. I don't feel like reading all this stuff. Sorry. Stunning websites, compelling copies, pixel perfect images. Cool. I mean, I saw all this in the video. Professionals work done in seconds. Yeah, like the color palettes, you should be able to just like search through color palettes and then just like pick one and then change the layout. Easy. Regenerate full layout of any section. What someone should really do is just like create an API for all this like website building stuff for all the different sites that need this. It'd be interesting if you could just embed this everywhere, but I digress. Meet your new AI copywriter. Could generate compelling, relevant, polished copies directly within the Dorik website builder using the power of GPT-4. AI written copies. I don't trust AI written copies like that. It has no taste. Somebody's ringing my doorbell right now. Sorry. And we're back. Sorry about that, guys. People just love ruining my videos. Choose the tone your audience understand. See, there we go. See, it's not all about just feeding user text into ChatGPT. You need to give people guardrails. Sound confident, casual, friendly, persuasive, diplomatic. That's what you need. What's the character? What is the ethos of your brand? How can we communicate that better? Then you're actually like helping people be a better version of themselves rather than just like all being the generic ChatGPT voice, which is a dystopia that I am so afraid of, but also excited for what OpenAI is doing. It's truly revolutionary stuff. Replace the need for extra tools or hiring copywriters. You should still have a copywriter, to be honest, even if they're just reviewing what you've put out. You can cancel your stock photo subscription. Damn. Shots fired. Do I have any gunshots out here? Damn, I need to get some gunshots.
God damn, homie.
Our illustrations, it complements your copy. More AI features. I think people focus too much on this. We got AI features, AI features. Like what? What can you do that helps users do what they need to do easier? AI can be a part of it, but it's not all about whether it's AI or not. People are not using a product because you said AI in it. They're using it because you're helping them do something they've wanted to do. Sometimes it's useful. Sometimes it's like you're probably better off just like doing integration with another API than necessarily trying to API or AIify everything. Because these things might be more important to people than these AI SEO suggestions with AI. It's probably not a major feature people care about, but reliable hosting CDN, yeah. Payment integration, yeah. Forms, analytics, custom domain. Custom domain probably is more important than all these features to the average person that is going to be using this type of website builder. You know what I mean? So I guess this is also just a feature of Dorik overall. They got a FAQ. They got a FAQ. Disrespect.
That one there was a violation.
Freaking hate FAQs. Send it, guys. Live support. Oh man, it's pretty good. Except for the FAQ thing. What is Dorik in general? Okay, build websites, #1 AI website builder. So you got 70,000. Yeah, I'm looking some of these people up. Who are these people? Who did they say his company was? Damn. Whoops. Interviewee. Is that this guy? I don't know why that thing is in Ukrainian all of a sudden. Sorry, guys. Too many windows open. Open V. So I just have this sneaky suspicion. I need to fix this. Maybe it's real. Maybe they're real people. Get off today. But God. Back to the main website. It's pretty solid. I think the video does a lot of heavy lifting. So I'm going to give it an 8.2 because of that. Mostly because of the video. I just hope people don't just rely on saying you have AI features or adding AI features to get customers, because it's not enough. At least not from me. Sorry, it's not enough. But looks like they have a very robust platform. Give them a shot. Dorik.com, Dorik. Check them out. Show them some love. You know.
Show us some love.
As always, brush your teeth, walk in the corner. Denbo out. Go to the guild, baby.